Hello everyone. So here we're going to factor out some monomials out of a binomial. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to find the greatest common factor of the numbers and then take the smallest letter term. And we're going to pull that out and then we'll multiply it back to get what we have. So our GFC, our greatest common factor of 8 and 10, well, the factors of 8 are 1 times 8 and 2 times 4. And the factors of 10 are 1 times 10 and 2 times 5. And as you can see, 2 is the greatest common factor, right? They both have 1 in common, but 2 is bigger. So we're going to pull out a 2. And now we're going to take our smallest letter term or our smallest variable. Okay, so between c to the third and c is smaller, the exponent is smaller. Remember, that's really a 1. So we have 2c comes out. Now in parentheses, we're going to multiply back. So 2 times what gets us 10? 2 times 5. We have c to the third and c to the first. So I need 2 more. I have 1, I need 3. So that's going to be c squared. Then 2 times 4 gets us 8. And then the c's we already have, the c's, so then we just close it off. And this is what you would put in the IXL right here, this right here. Don't put the 1 though. You don't have to put the 1. You can just put c. So now here, 5 and 2, 1 times 5, 1 times 2, that's it. Our greatest common factor is 1. If the greatest common factor is 1, just retype the polynomial. So you got 5b squared plus 2. And there's no b term to take out of 2 either. So we can't factor out a b either. If that was like plus 2b, then I could have factored out a b. So it's just going to be 5b squared plus 2. Okay. And again, remember, you don't have to put the 1. So we just retype that. That would go in there. All right. Now we got our next example here. Remember, taking out the greatest common factor. So we're going to see several common factors there that we have to take out the big one. So 12 is 1 times 2, and 2 times 6, and 3 times 4. And 8 is going to be 1 times 8, and 2 times 4. Now here, the 1s are in common, the 2s are in common, but even bigger than that is the 4s are in common. So we're going to take out these 4s here. And so we take out a 4. And now between y and y squared, I'll make this red in a minute so you're not confused with the red and the blue. The smallest letter between y squared and y is going to be y. It's the smallest exponent. Sorry, that's not sure. So we take out y. So we have 4y. Now we multiply back. 4 times what is 12? 4 times 3. Y to the first, y squared. So that gives me 3y. Okay, because I have 1, but I need 2. And then 4 times 2 gets me 8. And I already have the y's there, so I'm all set. And this is what you type in the IXL. Again, you don't have to put to the 1 power. All right, take out the greatest common factor. We have 2 and 36, so 2 is 1 times 2. 36 is 1 times 36, 2 times 18. In fact, you could stop there. 2 is the biggest, but I'll write the rest of them. You get 3 times 12, 4 times 9, and 6 times 6. I'm going to put this up here. Okay, so 2 is my biggest, so 2 is going to come out. Again, do this in red. And again, I'll fix this and this here. So that's red to red, so you know. So again, we'll do red to red. So we have 2. Now we have our letter terms, which is going to be c to the fourth and c squared. I'm going to take the smaller one, so that's c to the second. So we have c squared. That 2 you have to put. Now in parentheses, well, remember this is a c, this is a parenthesis. And again, you want the largest common factor here. or the greatest common factor, right? The largest one that they have the same, this one is the smallest one. So 2 times 1 is 2. We have c squared and c to the 4th, so I need 2 more, right? 2 plus 2 is 4. And then 2 times 18 is 36. I already have c squared, so I don't need any c term here, so I just close it off. All right, and finally, 6q to the 9th, negative 6q to the 8th, plus 6q to the 6th. They're all 6's, so 6 is going to be my greatest common factor. Then in parentheses, my smallest q term here is q to the 6th. So that's going to come out. So then the multiply back will be 1's. So 6 times 1 is 6. I have 6 q's. I need 9, so it's be 3 more. 6 times negative 1 is negative 6. I have 8 q's. I have 6 q's. I need 8 q's, so I need 2 more. And finally, 6 times 1 again is 6, so this would be plus 1. Again, 6 times 1 is 6. I have q to the 6's here, so I'm all set to close this off. All right, so again, just make sure you got your exponents correct, and hopefully this will help.